Yes, I can do it. Today is going to be a beautiful day. Hi, welcome to Sales Breakthrough with AngelaOh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I will share with you practical sales tips every week. As a salesperson, most of the time you work alone. There will be times where you may feel down or discouraged, especially when your sales are not coming in, or you have to handle a lot of customers' complaints. To add to that, you have to answer to your boss about your low sales results during sales reviews. Yet, if you take a good look at successful salespeople, you will notice that they are positive and self-motivated. You will hardly find them going around lamenting about their situation. So how do these salespeople continue to keep going with their heads held high in challenging times? Let me share with you a few quick tips. Number one, stop focusing on yourself. Self-pity doesn't get you anywhere. When you shift your focus away from yourself, you will begin to think better and get more creative to solve any issues at hand. Number two, stay away from negative people or news. There is a quote from the motivational speaker Jim Rohn. He says that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So look at the type of people you surround yourself with. Even the things you are exposed to will also affect your mental and emotional well-being. Number 3, expose yourself to motivational audio, video clips, or books. In times when you need some encouragement, it always helps to listen to motivational speakers on YouTube and read inspirational stories. Number 4, be thankful. Learn to count your blessings every single day. You will soon discover you have something to be grateful for. Remember, you have a choice on how you want to respond to your situation. You may not be able to change your circumstances, but you can choose how you want to respond. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you'd like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always get the latest update.